Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to log in Zip HR. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, you need to know that to enter in your Zip HR, you need to go through a web browser called Kami Workforce, for which you need to open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.kamiworkforce.com. Once you do this, you will end up in its official website, which is also the website for Zip HR. So simply tap on login option and you will end up in this page where simply select a server location and type in your username. Then tap on the next button right below it. Once you tap it on, you will get access to your account back. However, if you have forgotten your password, then simply tap on forgot password to change your password of your account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.